G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Little chat from the Patchwork Chair today. The truth is I just finished doing a big fashion shoot with my daughter, big photo shoot and for her fashion line. And so while I was looking halfway reasonable, I thought I would jump on camera. So a few things that I wanted to chat about. First up, beautiful results coming from Artie in our masterclass. I'm absolutely loving seeing them. Keep on posting them, everybody. You've all absolutely blown me away. Can you believe how much talent is emerging from this group on our Facebook page? If you haven't joined our Facebook page, come along and join it. I'll put the links down below. But everybody, come and look at everybody's work. It's just incredible. When I think about when I first started out, that there was nothing available. My whole mission here is to be able to fast track you in soft sculpture. So in saying that, one of the things I most want to say is I've already tried the hard way. So I've simplified everything in soft sculpture. I've done it hard, I've made the mistakes, and the instructions and techniques that I give you are really tried and tested. So stay with them. When people are asking me, oh, do I need to interface it? Yes, you do, and use the right one because it greatly affects your results, and you can trust that I've already done it the other way. I've done it in the beginning with skimping and not following all of the steps, and it just doesn't work. So if you want beautiful finish and great results, follow every step. So I really encourage you to do that. And I think overall everybody is doing that because the results are incredible. So looking forward to seeing more Labradors. I know a lot of you are working on them. Lovely to chat with all of you. I know that beautiful Carol has just made a tribute dog for her daughter, a black lab, an aging black lab. Oh, absolutely amazing. So beautiful work, such talent there. So what I wanted to talk to you about mainly is that up and coming, we've got the next masterclass, the November masterclass. You're never going to guess it. Never, never. I know a lot of you are so clever, but I think even with the sneaky peek, which just is in, I'll try and put that up tomorrow night, because I've just completed the project. I showed Mr. T last night and he was like, oh, they're never going to guess. So, and it is completely different. So if you're looking for something completely different, I'm so excited to show you. I've covered him up because there's reflection in the mirrors here, and I've been caught out before, and I know some of you are super spies and can see. So my creation has a blanket over so you can't see. But I can't wait to reveal it to you all. Now, moving ahead, now I'm found myself as we've travelled along that we've got a beautiful group in Pay It Forward. We've got a beautiful group in Masterclass, and the projects, I work to make them suitable for each genre, skill level, so on. And as we've moved along, I've been able to work out what people want, what people don't like, and so on. And I also, you have to remember that I'm in this because I haven't finished my creative journey. So I have likes and loves that I still want to pursue creatively. It's just that I'm sharing it with all of you. Now, mohair, let's talk about mohair. People keep asking me for mohair. And it's so difficult because if I put a project in Masterclass using mohair, a lot of you can't get the mohair, a lot of you don't want to pay that sort of money for the mohair, and I would never put those projects in Pay It Forward because Pay It Forward is about it being thrifty and, you know, using up your scraps and so on. More budget minded. So I'm going to create, I'm pretty excited about this. There's a whole range of projects that I want to give you that's kind of middle of the road. They fit in neither category for a couple of reasons. One is the mohair. So I'm going to be creating some Lisa Pay exclusives. What they are is a project just like you'll see in Masterclass, and you will be able to actually purchase the whole workshop, tutorial, pattern independently. So the reason I do have to charge the reason why I'm doing that is it's worth my while to put something together, because it's an added, like there's a lot more work to do it. I won't do it, I'll do them as I can. So that's the best way for me to do it. But I feel like you all will be able to choose, you know what, I want to order some mohair, and you know exactly the mohair to order, and you can choose to invest in that project. So I think that's a great idea. The second thing is I've got some projects that are a little bit too tricky for Pay It Forward, a little bit too easy for Masterclass. They sit right in the middle. Still wonderful projects. Got so many of those that I want to share with you. Those are the other ones that will fit into the Lisa Pay exclusives. Also, there are areas that I want to pursue. So I love faux taxidermy. You all know that. It has not proved to be particularly popular in my masterclass. I know all of my lovelies who do love it, but a lot of people don't. So again, this is something that I'm really going to pursue, and I can put into that category as well. So I will be on a design high, being able to do some of those things and offer them to you. In saying that, I was going to create the deer head this year. We can't, unfortunately. Oh, I'm so sorry, but I physically can't film it. I can't fit it on camera. You have to remember that I do all my own filming, so it's just me by myself here, so I physically can't do it. So no deer head for Masterclass. I'm going to try and do a different version in a Lisa Pay exclusive. So all of you who are waiting for that deer head, I am sorry. We will still have a fantastic December Masterclass coming up, but it won't be that deer head. So I just thought I would let you all know that. So what's everyone been up to? Keep on sharing with me. Share with me on Instagram. I know a lot of you have worked that out. Sometimes Patreon, they've just done an upgrade. So everyone in Masterclass, Patreon's done an upgrade, and I couldn't find my messages for a while. I wish things would just stay the same. You just get used to one way of doing things and they change it up. I'm sure you feel the same. Anyway, if you can't get in touch with me, speak to me on Instagram privately. That's the best way to catch me, and I do absolutely love to hear from you. I feel like I've got a whole lot of beautiful friends out there now. So thank you for that. I did want to share a little bit of really exciting news, and that is all of my UK viewers, I'm sure a lot of you know Trini Woodall. Now she is a stylist, she's a fashion stylist. She is the creator and founder of Trini London, the cosmetic brand, and she's just a fashion guru. She's a best-selling author, and she's just brought out a new book called Fearless. It's a great book. It's a great book for women of a certain age. And the biggest surprise is inside the book. Guess who's in there? I'm so honoured. I feel so honoured. She's used me as an example for going grey gracefully. So there you go. Mr. T was right. Don't colour it, Lisa. So I was very excited about that. So that was just a little personal joy that I would like to share with you all. You all know I love my fashion. So look, everybody, I've got two little patterns coming up on Pay It Forward for you very soon, before the end of the month. And also looking forward to the release of Masterclass coming up on the 1st. So everybody, you all keep on being safe, keep on being creative until then, and I will give you a sneaky peek as soon as I can for Masterclass. Until next time, remember always to pay all of those good things forward. Until next time, it's hooroo for me.